In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically add a stop loss and take profit to every market order using the order panel. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open your chart settings and go to the trading tab. This is where the platform keeps a lot of the execution and order related preferences, so it's an important place to check before you begin. Once you're there, make sure your order panel preferences are enabled. If this setting is turned off, the panel may not behave the way you expect, and some of the order preset features may not be available. Taking a moment to confirm this now helps avoid confusion later. After that, move over to the right sidebar and click on Order Panel. This opens the area where you can place and manage trades directly from the chart. If you regularly enter positions manually, this panel can save a lot of time, especially when you want your risk management settings applied consistently on every order. Inside the Order Panel, look for the Order Presets section. This is where you can define your default protective order distances. Go ahead and preset your target tick or pip distances for both stop loss and take profit. In simple terms, you're telling the platform how far away from your entry price you want your protective exit and profit target to be placed automatically. Make sure these values match your trading plan because these presets will be used each time you place a market order. Once those distances are entered, find the setting labeled Auto Attach Stop Loss, Take Profit, and switch it on. This is the key step that activates the automation. With this enabled, you no longer have to manually add your protective bracket orders after entering a trade. The platform will do it for you instantly. From that point forward, every market order you place will automatically generate protective bracket orders based on the preset values you entered. That means your stop loss and take profit are attached right away, which can help you stay disciplined and reduce the chance of forgetting an important risk management step during fast market conditions. Before you start trading live, it's a good idea to double check that your preset distances are correct in the order panel so everything is working exactly the way you want. Once confirmed, you'll have a faster and more consistent order entry process with built-in protection on every market trade.